Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty here with another sausage gravy recipe for you. You guys have seen my sausage gravy loaded tacos. If you haven't, go find it. Today we're doing chorizo gravy over a quick biscuit in the air fryer. Before I show you, be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel. You know the whole deal. Subscribe, the bell, share it with your friends. And now we're gonna make some chorizo sausage gravy and biscuits on the Blackstone Betty style, because we're being lazy today and using canned biscuits. It's okay, it's still delicious. Alright, so to start this, we have a pound of ground chorizo, a nice block of sharp cheddar cheese, a good brand of eggs, and our store-bought Grand's biscuits because I don't feel like making my own this time around. So we preheat our Blackstone Griddle top to medium. We turn our Blackstone air fryers on to about 350. So my husband picked up the Pillsbury Grand's biscuits to save me a little bit of time. We're gonna just pop these open and stick them into the air fryer drawer that I have lined with parchment paper. Let the air fryer do its magic and cook them and take care of them while I take care of the sausage gravy. Now I have a little bit of oil down in my chorizo gravy. Using my favorite tool, the Blackstone scraper, I'm just chopping this up into very small pieces just as you would cook taco meat. While this is cooking, I'm sliding on a medium-sized pot to warm up and get nice and toasty so that I can add this sausage into it in just a second. As soon as it's looking perfect and crispy, now that my sausage is nice and cooked through, I'm gonna take that along with all of the grease that is left behind, put that into our warmed up pot. We want all of that grease because that grease is gonna help make our roux. To give it a little bit of help, I'm adding just a little bit of butter so that we have equal parts fats, which is the butter and the grease from the sausage that we cooked up, and we're gonna add in equal parts flour to that. So after a minute or two of stirring that flour and the fats together, we're gonna add in our cream. Now you could use whole milk, half and half, heavy whipping cream, or a mixture of any of those depending on what you like. I have some milk mixed with half and half. Now while that's cooking, we're gonna make sure to keep coming back to it to give it a mix to make sure that it's cooking through. It's gonna thicken up as it cooks and become a gravy. While that's getting nice and thick and turning into a beautiful chorizo gravy, we're gonna take our cheese and shred that up. I always say shred your own cheese because it just melts so much more beautifully than pre-shredded bag cheese. Now we have some green onions that we're just gonna slice up. I use the whites, the greens, the whole part of the green onion I love mixed with breakfast foods like my eggs. So we're gonna slide them to the side when they are done. Now my sausage gravy is looking beautiful. It's getting thicker by the minute. My biscuits are perfectly done thanks to the Blackstone air fryer. So we're gonna melt our butter on that residual heat. We've turned off our burners at this point, and now we're gonna drop down 4 eggs, one for each of us here. Me and my husband get a nice beautiful dippy egg, and my children who don't like the dippy part get choppy dippy eggs. Season my eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now let's grab our chorizo gravy, drizzle that over these biscuits, top that off with our shredded cheddar cheese, top each one off with their egg, and then finish it with a little bit of green onion. This is ready to go back into the house for me and my husband and my kiddos. I hope you guys go try chorizo gravy. Go wild and make your own biscuits, or throw this gravy over tater tots or fries, or just dip it with bread or eat it with a spoon. Whatever you do, go make it and enjoy it and snap a picture and then post it and tag Blackstone Products and tag Blackstone Betty. Don't forget to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel or I'll find you and I'll make you. Now, I'm gonna go eat my breakfast with my family and you're gonna go make some chorizo gravy on the Blackstone. Bye guys.